Hi guys, bit of an update on the Wildflower Meadow. Sorry about the traffic noise, it's very irritating. I always go past when I press the record button. Never mind. Look, anyway, so this is about 2 weeks ago now, and the seedlings are all starting to germinate and grow now. Look, they've got the cotyledon leaves. So that's really good. I'm really pleased about that. These are probably the early germinating ones. Not sure what they'll be, but hopefully we'll see in the up and coming weeks. The other meadow over here, this is Jasmine's meadow. That's my cat. She likes to sit in the meadow when the grasses and flowers are longer. This is sort of coming to life now. We've got all sorts in here. There's another bloody person driving too fast. We've got all sorts growing here, like I say. The moon daisies, we've got clover, yarrow, and some other things that I'm not sure what they are. We'll hope when they flower. That looks like wood avens. We've got some Spanish bluebells that have been here for years. Yeah, so that's actually coming to life now. I'm really pleased about that. It's all along that side of the garden. The pond has really come to life. I've had to give it a bit of a tidy up. I had to thin out the iris because it was getting just too big and a bit of a monster, the old flag iris. And this pond's only as big as a bathtub. We've got palmate and smooth newts in there. The butterbird's going a bit crazy. It's a native species, but you've got to be a bit careful. I just planted one little butterbur in there, and it tends to be a bit of a monster. It does tend to take over. We've got wood ruff. That's one of my favourites. That's the little wood ruff. That's a little native, little white flowers. I do like a wood ruff. We've got some hazel there, and ferns and other bits and pieces. So that's coming together nicely. I'm very pleased with that. This is the Tortoise's paddock here. It's got a bit overgrown. He's not really been out in here this year. It's been too cold, but he'll be out soon, hopefully. Loads of moon daisies and the Spanish bluebells. Got a couple of palms there. There's a native European fan palm, Camarops humilis. We've got a mini hazel hedge there, which I planted from seedlings from that hazel there. Down the back here is where the slow worms live. This is the slow worms habitat. There's a big log pile there. The slow worms haven't been out today. It's been a bit overcast. I planted some more plants in here. I've got wood ruff, butterbur, some other bits and pieces coming through, some ferns and some wood sedge. Trying to get that a little bit more vegetated for the slow worms. They like going in the compost bin as well. I've just dumped some more grass in there so it'll heat up. Oops, it's back down. There we go. Anyway, that's just a quick update of what's going on in the garden. It's the 1st of May tomorrow. It's all looking very green. It's been raining today. Anyway, there we go. Catch you guys later. Over and out.